The station just earlier this morning was able to do a pass over Tropical Storm Arthur. This video from at 9:29 a.m. Eastern Time today, July 2nd, as the station and its 6-man crew was just about 260 miles overhead. At the time when this video was taken, Tropical Storm Arthur was about 100 miles northeast of Cape Canaveral, Florida, moving over the ground at a rate of about 6 miles an hour. Reports from the National Hurricane Center are forecasting that Arthur will strengthen into a hurricane as it continues on its northeasterly track and will close just over the eastern seaboard over the next couple of days. Expedition 40 crew also using their various cameras on board to capture digital still imagery of Arthur, just as part of their regular acquisition, as mentioned, of various Earth phenomenon and man-made structures as part of their Earth observation ongoing studies. And again, we're looking at views of Tropical Storm Arthur taken at 9:29 a.m. Eastern Time today on July 2nd as the International Space Station passed just about 260 miles overhead. And right here is a photo that was taken by NASA astronaut Reed Wiseman that was tweeted out on his Twitter handle of the storm as they were flying over this, again, Tropical Storm Arthur.